After years of researching, I found the perfect criteria to help anyone pick a jump rope for themselves.
It was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
If the jump rope you have don't follow most of this criteria, you're probably struggling jumping rope. Now, if you want to pick out the perfect jump rope, or you're having troubles with your jump rope, you might want to watch the rest of this video.
Feel free to follow along.
Remember, if you like any of the equipment that you see on this video, you can find them all for purchase down in the links below. There are several factors to consider when choosing a jump rope. The following are the 5 most important considerations. First, let's talk about the material.
Well, you know, it's really easy when you have good material.
Make sure your jump rope is made from durable materials such as PVC, steel cable, or leather. There are other types of materials to consider, and we can talk about that in future videos if you would like. You should consider the surface you're jumping rope on also, since certain materials may wear out more quickly depending on the surface. In fact, if you want to know the proper surfaces you should jump rope on, check out the video that I have in the links below. Next, you should consider if this rope is adjustable to your height. If you're a little shorter or a little taller, it might be good for you to have a jump rope that's able to adjust to your height.
Really make it your own.
Now, you can purchase certain heavy jump ropes that's already tailored towards your height. So let's talk about speed and weight of your jump rope, and they pretty much go hand in hand. If your jump rope is heavier, obviously it's slower, and if your jump rope is lighter, obviously it's faster. I recommend most beginners begin with heavier jump rope. It's just easier to get a command of the jump rope if you have a weighted jump rope, because it's moving slower, so you don't have to move as quickly to keep up with the rope. As you progress at jumping rope, you're gonna want to do tricks.
I want more.
And the weighted jump rope is good for doing some tricks, but not all of them. And you can pretty much do every trick with a light jump rope. And that's really the difference is between what your goals are. If you're trying to get stronger, weighted jump ropes are better for that. If you're trying to get faster, lighter jump ropes are better for that. Honestly, it's more goal specific. And that leads into my next point. You have to know the purpose you're using the jump rope for and what your current skill level is.
Why are you doing this?
Be honest with yourself. How good are you at doing this? Are you able to jump rope for 1 minute without tripping, even with a weighted jump rope? Do you actually have endurance and stamina with the jump rope? And that can be very important when switching from weighted jump ropes to lighter jump rope. Your purpose and skill level will actually tell you what jump rope you need. Because if you're a beginner and you're tripping a lot, you're gonna get frustrated and quit if you pick the speed rope, but if you pick a weighted jump rope, you're not gonna trip as much because it's moving slower, as I stated previously. Now, if you wanna do more tricks, you wanna get faster, and you've actually already progressed beyond just the beginner stage, you wanna pick up a speed rope, the next thing you wanna consider is how portable is this jump rope? Can you travel with it?
Travel light.
I always travel with the jump rope. I jump rope on location. You'll see it in many of my YouTubes. You'll see me jumping rope in an interesting location. I'm always working out while I'm traveling, and I travel often. So I need a jump rope that can go with me, that's not too heavy when you're carrying at the airport or carrying it back to the hotel. It can be a lot when the jump rope's kind of heavy or kind of awkward. It's something you really want to consider when you're purchasing a jump rope. Are you traveling with it? So now it's time to get your jump rope. Check out my review right here of the most popular jump rope that's on Amazon, and soon I'll link this to the most popular heavy jump rope on Amazon review that I have coming soon. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.